Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Jeep Compass Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number B8592A. 90,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. Billet silver metallic in color. The Compass seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, 4-wheel drive lock giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather, lots of storage space in the armrest, 115 volt outlet, great for charging those media devices, and a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Compass, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.